Now for number 26. Okay, number 26, they're saying the base and the height of the triangle with base 1.5 and height of 6. So they're both changing, okay, and are both tripled. Okay, so then first of all, I need to get the original perimeter, and this is a triangle. Okay, so a triangle. So I need to get the perimeter of the triangle. So let me draw the triangle because I need to find out what's going on. The base, the height is 6, the base is 1.5. When they say height, that means that the height is perpendicular to the base. So that's why I'm drawing it as a right triangle. So then, if I need to find the perimeter, how do I find the missing side, which is the hypotenuse? The Pythagorean theorem, that's right. So the Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equal to c squared, right? Which is going to be 6 squared plus 1.5 quantity squared. And then you put that in the calculator. When you put that, that would be 6.18. Okay, so then the perimeter would be the sum of the three sides, which is going to be 6 plus 6.18 and then plus 1.5. And when you add all of that, this is 13.68 when you round it to the hundredths place. This is the perimeter. Okay, so now let's go ahead and triple both dimensions, the base and the height. So when I triple the dimensions, 6 times 3, the height would be what? 18, and 1.5 times 3, that would be 4.5, and the hypotenuse would be the square root of those two numbers. Let's put that in the calculator. The approximate answer for the hypotenuse is 18.55. So the new perimeter would be the sum of the three numbers. So add this, 18 plus 4.5 plus 18.55. So the new perimeter. So what did you get? Did you get 41.05? Yes, so this is this is meters. So now, when you compare the changing perimeter to the original perimeter, that would be 41.05 divided by 13.68. Right, when you divide those two numbers, that gives you 3.0007, so it's a 3. That's 3.
Well, how does it just happen? As you now 7 just goes to a 7.
How did it happen that you have what?
0, 0, 0, 0, 0,
and then 7. Well, because the division is just, when you run it to the hundredths place, that would be 3. Yes. So the conclusion here for the perimeter, okay, would be the perimeter is multiplied by 3. So now let's go ahead and get the area. So for the area, let me get the area of the original triangle. So the area would be 1/2 base times height. The original base is 1.5. The height is 6. So half of 6 is 3 times 1.5. That would be 4.5. And this is 4.5 square meters because it's area. Then we get the new area, which is 1/2 times the base, which is 4.5, times the height, which is 18. Half of 18 is 9. 9 times 4.5. Did Did you get 40.5? That's right. So then you have both areas. And then when you compare those two, you're going to put the change on top, so the changed area over the original area. That is 4.5 divided by 4.5. And that equals to, yes, that is equals to 9. Okay, so then see, both sides will multiply by 3, but then when you get the area, the change in area is multiplied by 9, or what?
3 squared.
3 squared. So that's what you need to conclude. So the area is multiplied by 3 squared or 9, and that's it.